This pod series continues discussing some worldly and hereafter benefits of possessing true faith in Islam, meaning, faith which is supported by actions. The next benefit of faith is that it leads to paradise. Chapter 9, verse 72.
Allah has promised the believing men and believing women gardens beneath which rivers flow, wherein they abide eternally, and pleasant dwellings in gardens of perpetual residence.
It is important to note that one will only enter paradise through the mercy of Allah, the Exalted. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 5673. This is because every righteous deed is only possible through the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, in the form of knowledge, inspiration, strength and opportunity to do the deed. This understanding prevents one from adopting pride, which is vital to avoid, as only an atom's worth of pride is needed to take a person to hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 267. In addition, a Muslim must understand that this mercy of Allah, the Exalted, in the form of righteous deeds is in reality a light which one must gather in this world if they desire to obtain a guiding light in the hereafter. If a Muslim lives in heedlessness and refrains from gathering this light in the world by fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from his prohibitions and by facing destiny with patience, then how can they expect to receive this guiding light in the hereafter? All Muslims desire to inhabit paradise with the greatest servants of Allah, the Exalted, such as the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. But it is important to understand that simply wishing for this without action will not make it come true. Otherwise the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, would have done this. Simply put, the more one strives in learning and acting on the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, the closer they will be to him in the hereafter. The greatest blessing of paradise is physically observing Allah, the Exalted, which is discussed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 7436. If a Muslim desires to obtain this unimaginable blessing, they must practically strive to achieve the level of excellence mentioned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 99. This is when one performs actions, such as the prayer, as if they can observe Allah, the Exalted, overlooking them. This attitude ensures one's persistent and sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted. It is hoped that the one who strives for this level of faith will receive the blessing of physically observing Allah, the Exalted, in the hereafter.